Bankruptcy is a legal process where we ask the federal bankruptcy court in Denver to issue a court order discharging your debts, which is removing your legal responsibility to pay those debts. Bankruptcy is not always the answer. When you meet with us, what I like to do is go through your entire financial picture and make sure that bankruptcy is a good option for you. And if it's not, then we'll tell you some other options as to what you could do that might handle your situation better. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a process where you discharge your debts with a court order, and that typically occurs in 90 days. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is where you get on a payment plan to pay a percentage of your debts. It's the amount that you can afford, and you make payments for 3 to 5 years, and then the amount that you don't pay gets discharged at the end of your case. When people contact us for help with bankruptcy, they are normally in a very stressed out or just depressed mind state. Maybe they're having their wages garnished. Maybe they've had their bank accounts seized. Maybe they're being sued. Maybe they have creditors filing liens on their house. They just don't know what to do going forward. And what we do is, when you come in and see me, we'll give you an individualized plan moving forward so you know exactly what the next steps are and what you can do to get out of that situation. Making mistakes filing for bankruptcy could be very costly. If the forms aren't filled out correctly, you could potentially lose your home, you could lose money in bank accounts, you could lose investments, or you could not discharge some or all of your debt. When you work with us, we go through a very thorough process to check and make sure that those mistakes aren't made. In my opinion, it's worth getting a lawyer in bankruptcy cases. The federal Constitution allows you to represent yourself in court, but if you do that, you are held to the same standards as an attorney would be. You have to understand all of the complicated rules and all of the other court decisions that have been made ahead of time. There are updates to the law almost on a monthly basis. So if you don't know about those changes and if you don't keep up on that, it's going to be very difficult. We like to give our clients personal one-on-one attention and make sure that their case is handled as efficiently as possible, but as thoroughly as possible. I handle all my clients' cases personally. I don't have any associates working for me or anyone to assign your case to. When you hire me, it's you and me working on your case. If you're considering bankruptcy, you shouldn't wait. Your problems only get bigger and bigger. A lot of our clients that have come to us waited before they came to us, and it made dealing with their situation more difficult and sometimes more expensive. When clients come in and meet with me, what we'll do is we'll take some time to get to know them and understand exactly what they are dealing with. Then we will come up with an individualized plan for them to move forward. When a client leaves our office, they usually feel a sense of relief because they know exactly what the next steps are. If creditors are calling our clients, then we'll give them a phone number where they can have the creditors start calling us. It gives them immediate relief. And we coach them step by step what to do next. And we always schedule our next follow-up appointment so that we know exactly what the next step is to discharging their debts.